Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing some new products from Simply Earth. So they already have a few things, like they have those little tablets that you dissolve in the spray bottle to make a cleaner. They are launching 3 new products on May 3rd, and I'm excited to share them with you because they're sustainable, they're easy to use, and they are non-toxic. So the first one is this set of 5 Swedish dishcloths. Say that 5 times fast. They are like basically replaces paper towel and sponges in your kitchen. They're easy to clean, they don't get stinky and smelly, and they're cute. So this is the 5-pack. Show you all the prints, and then I moistened one so you can see this is what they come like, dry. They're kind of stiff. There's oranges, pine or leaf, yeah, like pine needles, eucalyptus, lavender, and then this is one that I have gotten wet, so it's like flexible. It's kind of like a spongy cloth material, and to wash them you just put them in the dishwasher or microwave and microwave them for a minute. They dry super fast, so they don't get really gross, and I really love these, and it really does reduce the amount of paper towels that we're using, and you use them over and over. Like a couple of mine I've had for a couple of years, they're getting to where I could probably throw them out, but I just don't want to because they still work and they're not like super gross or anything, so they last a really long time. The next thing is the laundry detergent sheets. This is genius. You're not buying a jug full of like 90% water. These are just waterless. The packaging is minimal, and these are sheets that you just put either in the drum of your washing machine, or you can fold them and put them in your like automatic little slot for detergent. So this is how many sheets are in here. They're fragrance free. It's 30 sheets, and this is what one full sheet looks like. They're kind of perforated right in the middle, so they're easy to fold in half. So if you have a small load, just use a half a sheet. If you have a large load, you use the full sheet. Whoops. And then I have one folded so I can show you. If you want to just put it, instead of in the drum, you just fold it and then put it in the little compartment that you would normally put your detergent in. And I just love sustainable options like this versus a huge jug. First of all, it's like hard to lug that thing around too, and messy. This is just genius. Then lastly, the third thing that they're launching are the dishwasher tabs. And not gonna lie, when I opened this up, or actually I got one in a previous box. They come wrapped like this, and when I saw this big bag of dishwasher tabs, I'm like, I am not going to unwrap each tab before I use them. But it's wrapped in like the little, it's water, what is it actually? So it's completely water soluble and biodegradable, so you don't have to unwrap that if you were thinking the same as I was. But anyways, these are non-toxic. You just use them as you normally would. There was a recipe in a box previous that you can take this and use it to clean the oven. So you just unwrap it. I think just dip it in water and scrub. Okay, this is the new dishwasher tablet from Simply Earth. I'm sharing a whole video on their new cleaning products soon, but this is a hack that they shared. You dip it in water and then just use this to scrub the oven, and it's really cutting through all of this nasty grease. So I'm really impressed with this. It took the whole tab, but I just cleaned this whole front door, and look at how much, oh my gosh, that's so disgusting. This oven was like this when we moved in, and it's only 2 years old, and I couldn't believe how dirty this stove was. But oh my gosh, that worked so good. I might hit this with my scrub mommy, but that did a really good job. Okay, it's sparkling, shining clean now. I'm so excited. The inside too. I did use my scrub mommy and paste after, but the tablet got like the layer of like grease now. Well, there's a lot of different ways you can use dishwasher tabs like that, like dissolving them in the sink to clean various things too, but I love that it just comes like this. Also, it's not a super messy liquid. This is a pack of 30. They're also fragrance free. Oh, you can, if you want to, you can add essential oils to your load, like if you prefer a scent. So just add some lemon or lemongrass. Oh, and so same with these laundry sheets. If you prefer a scent or want to add essential oils, you can just add a few drops to each sheet in the washing machine before you start it. Okay, so that is it. I just wanted this to be a quick intro to the new products. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Bye.